Hi, I'm Kristen Scholler at the New York Stock Exchange. Traders are digesting a wave of data points in the final full trading week of the year. The Federal Reserve Wednesday said it anticipates 2 rate cuts next year instead of 4. That's on the back of sticky inflation and an economy that the Fed chair says he is, quote, very optimistic about, end quote. The central bank did trim rates by 1/4 percentage point in its final decision of the year as hiring cooled. Data from the Fed preceded an upward revision to third quarter U.S. GDP growth early Thursday. Consumer spending expanded the economy by 3.1% last quarter, above an earlier read of 2.9%. Better than anticipated retail sales data for November out Tuesday demonstrated Americans' willingness to spend in the current quarter, too. At the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Kristen Scholler. Hi, I'm Kristen Scholler at the New York Stock Exchange. After a banner 2024 with the S&P 500 up about 24% in the final full trading week of the year, investors by and large are hopeful about 2025. We heard from the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell Wednesday. Powell said he is optimistic about the economy as the jobs market has held up and consumers continue to show a willingness to spend. On the back of that growth, the central bank sees higher than previously forecasted inflation in 2025. Inflation represents the pace of price gains for goods and services. After hovering near 2.8% this year, the Fed thinks that consumers will see prices rise 2.5% in 2025. That's above its 2% goal. Well, because of that, the central bank now plans fewer interest rate cuts in 2025. With 2 expected, that'll mean the cost to borrow money will remain expensive. And that will impact companies doing deals and the rates that consumers get on mortgages and credit cards. Still, market participants who join me on the New York Stock Exchange's live show at the market open each weekday are bullish on 2025, with earnings and economic growth fueling potential gains. At the NYSE, I'm Kristen Scholler.
Thank you for being innovators in the market. Thank you for all you do every day to show the world what best in class truly means.
We are incredibly proud to join the ranks of other highly successful companies who partnered with this legendary institution.
What a time to be here. I am so proud of what we're doing.
This is a huge milestone for our business. There's a lot of people responsible for getting to where we are today.
We have a role to play in bridging the gaps that exist today between us.
Not many people get to do something big in this world, and we get to do something truly special.
This is such a wonderful place to both look back and look forward. I'm so optimistic about what lies ahead. It has been a privilege to be with you.